Hi, wonderful people. Welcome to my channel. I'm Wanda, Quietly Be Debt Free. I want to tell you about my money journey or my YouTube journey so that you will know all about what happened. Why did I decide to do this at age 58? Well, throughout the pandemic, I was just getting kind of bored. I just, didn't have enough to do. I was teaching online, and my son was here home from college, and my husband was working from home, and I just didn't have enough to do. And I had wanted to share things that I had learned about money, and I wanted to share them with someone. So I did not know how to go about it. So I started watching YouTube. My brother had told me that if you want to learn anything, go to YouTube. YouTube will have videos about anything that you want to learn. So I did. I started listening to Terry Savelle. I listened to her, and then I was listening to His and Her Money, and then I started listening to Lynn Richardson, who was on His and Her Money, and they just really inspired me. They inspired me to get my money straight, and also it let me know that I needed to share what I have learned with someone. I wanted to do that. I wanted to share what I have learned in my years about money. I wanted to share it with someone else. So they would say, start a YouTube channel. So I did. I also listened to Tommy Bryson, and he would say, go ahead, start the YouTube channel. Terry Savelle would say, start the YouTube channel, because later you'll be glad that you did. And I have to say that I have found that I am glad that I did. But I really want to share things that I am learning about money with other people. That way, people can learn about these things at a younger age. And then they will build wealth. They will build a debt-free legacy, is what I have in mind. You not owing any money to others. You not owing any money, and you being able to build your wealth so that you can live and give to others. That is what I want to do. I want to have enough money so that I have enough to pay my bills, travel, do the things that I want to do, tie to my church, and give to others. I want to be able to give. I want to give knowledge about money. So that's why I tell you about the different things that I have learned, like the FIRE movement. That is something that I really could not take advantage of because I'm not going to be retiring early. But I can be financially independent. But maybe you or someone you know can be financially independent and retire early. But for me, that might not work, or at least it won't work because I'm still working. But I do want to share about how there are different jobs that you can get and you can make money. I want people to know about how passive income is much better than earned income. And there's just so many things that I have learned that I want to share. So that is why I started the YouTube channel. I want to be able to share. And I am hoping that the videos that I'm making will get into the homes of many people that I have not even met, but I want them to hear my videos, see my videos, and then learn so that these videos will be helpful. So my goal is to help others build a wealthy, debt-free legacy. That is my story. I'm Wanda. Subscribe to my channel. I would love to see you in the next video. And give me a thumbs up. Bye.